Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and if you're like me, always looking for the perfect moisturizer, look no further. You've got to check this one out from IGAME. So I love this moisturizing cream because it does provide intense moisture, but it's not greasy, it's not sticky. I like to use it right after I've had a shower. I find it soaks into my skin really nicely. And for the past month, I've been traveling. I've been in a cold, dry climate, and now I'm currently in a hot, humid climate. And I feel like this cream is working great no matter where I'm at. Another great feature is the press down dispenser. I like it because it helps to keep bacteria out, and it also basically gives me the perfect amount of cream that I'm gonna need with either 1 or 2 pumps. So this lightweight cream, it has some of my favorite ingredients like hyaluronic acid, squalane, and aloe, and I feel like it's really improved my skin barrier. Even though this is a rich moisturizer, I like that it's not sticky or greasy, and you can see how quickly it soaks into my skin. Now that's a hard combination to find. The fact that it's fragrance-free was also a plus for my sensitive skin. Using this cream, I found that my skin texture has improved and it feels a lot more moisturized. So if you're looking for a moisturizer that's gonna help improve your skin barrier, definitely check this one out from IGAME. I love it, and that's my point of view.